Hi, how are you guys doing? Thank you for being here, checking out my YouTube channel. I will be practice with you now Brahmari Pranayama or humming bee sound. So I use a blanket or a roll blanket, or you can sit on a block. The block or the blanket will be placed on the long side, and then you sit on it with the knees bent. Once you get that, you will rest your elbows on your knees, and with the big thumb, you will gently press against your inside the ears to close them, but gently without pressing too hard. The other four fingers can rest on the head, or what I usually do to be able to go deeper in the practice, I close my eyelids with the pinky fingers, but that's totally up to you. Make sure you are relaxed in the body. And before we begin, just very quick, we'll explain you how this works. So the inhalation is through the nostrils. You will inhale both nostrils. After you close your ears by pressing gently, you will exhale through the mouth with the lips sealed, still using the nostrils. Your lips are sealed, but the teeth are slightly separate, creating a B sound. The sound should vibrate. You should feel a vibration in the skull, the front part of the head, or in the whole part of the head. We'll try to practice about 10 rounds, 5 to 10 rounds, and that's good for beginners. You can begin with 5 to 10 rounds, and then in time increase the practice for 15 to 30 minutes. So again, relax the whole body. You inhale through the nostrils. You exhale, keeping the teeth separate slightly apart but lips sealed, creating a B sound that should resonate, vibrate in the whole head. So when you're ready, closing the ears, resting the head against the hands, inhaling and exhaling, trying to relax first. And then let's try. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale. 6 more, inhale. 5. 4. 3. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Slowly release. Take a moment. Maybe coming into your most comfortable cross leg for a moment, resting hands on the middle thigh, and coming back to what's normal breathing for you. So again, the duration of this practice, if you're a beginner, you can do 5 to 10 rounds and increase the time to 15 to 30 minutes. In case of extreme mental tension or anxiety, or when used to assist the healing process, practice up to 30 minutes. So this breathing exercise is really good if you suffer from anxiety. The time of practice, it's good to practice late at night or early morning, but Brahmari may be practiced at any time during the day to relieve mental tension. Brahmari should not be performed while lying down. People suffering from severe ear infections should not practice this pranayama. The benefits of the practice: Brahmari relieves stress and tension, helps in alleviating anger, anxiety, insomnia, increasing the healing capacity of the body. It strengthens and improves the voice. Brahmari induces a meditative state by harmonizing the mind and directing the awareness inward. The vibration of the humming sound creates a soothing effect on the mind and nervous system. So many reasons, many benefits to practice Brahmari. Give it a try. I want to thank you so much for being here and practice with me. Have a great day. Namaste.